We just heard back from one of our happy customers who gave us a glowing 5-star review, so we thought we'd share it with the world. We're happy to say this is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers all the time. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and a new customer who reads 5-star reviews is a wise customer because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star customer service. Find out what makes our customers so happy and why they value our extensive knowledge and experience and how we earn their glowing reviews. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.